Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm showing you a routine that I did, and it was 5 minutes of jumping rope. And then in the video you'll see that I did some squats, some mountain climbers, some burpees, and planks. It was a tough workout. Hopefully you guys will be able to do this workout yourselves, or just create your own routine to get your body moving, your blood pumping, and your heart rate jumping as well. All right, be encouraged, do your best to stay active. Thanks for watching. I have 5 more burpees to do. I'm on my second set. After the 5 burpees are like a minute and a half plank. After that, it's my last set. Let's pause this. I'm trying to really do this. This last set, I don't have any water. I have to go and buy some. And there's a big jar of grapefruit. Thankfully there's still some juice in there, so I took a little sip of that and slurped me a little grapefruit. Just bust it out. Bust it out. And 1 more minute of the plank. I owe it to myself, I owe it to my body, I owe it to God to let him know I can be disciplined, and I respect my body. I want to challenge my body to, you know, explore new levels of fitness and activeness. Success! I finished the workout. Oh, goodness gracious. I'll probably do like some more working out today. Probably like dance, walk. Like I said, I have to go get water, but let me show you. This is how I came up with, I just wrote it down. It was like, what's gonna get my heart rate pumping? So as you can see, jump rope, squats, mountain climbers, burpees, and planks. So yeah, I'm gonna do my best to stick to that. And even if I don't get to that, just do something, move my body every day. And I encourage you all to do the same. If you find yourself down in the dumps, or if you find yourself being like, you know, like super lazy, like you didn't get out of bed all day, like that was kind of me for the most part. I had it in my head I was gonna work out today anyway, but for like half the day I was chilling in the bed. What is that? Move ring closed. Let me stop, I forgot to end it. So I did my high intensity. Wow, I got all my calories in, because I was still up at like 12 a.m. and I was dancing, so I burned like 200 calories at the start of the day anyway. Of a brand new day. But yeah, if you find yourself down in the dumps, you find yourself you want to move more, you can definitely do it. You just have to follow your mind. And so I'm learning to do that. It's not easy, but just follow it. And sometimes sometimes thoughts come across like, oh, I want biscuits, I want a donut, I want some cake, and I know that's not good for my body, so I'm not going to follow that, right? So I'm going to follow, if I know I have to work out, right? If I know I've been birds fluttering out. If I know I've been in the bed for most of the day, it's like I owe it to my body, I owe it to myself to just get up and do something. Like, even if you don't have an Apple Watch or Fitbit or whatever, even if you don't track it, just know that your body just at least wants to stretch. It wants to move, because that's what our bodies were made to do. But I got the sweat vest on. Let me see if I can show you. I got this sweat vest on, and I am sweating. Ooh. Yeah, it's soaked in here. It's nice and soaked, and it's keeping my gut in place. Let's just say that. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it.